Hi everyone, welcome. In this project we will show one silly phase when we shake the microbit. When we press actually a button and it will show the smile face, happy face, and in case you press the B it will show a sad face, but in case you shake the microbit it's going to show silly face. That's pretty simple. All we need to just grab the from input buttons. Okay, when I press the A I want to show happy face right here, and I can also click right and duplicate this, only to change the press A to B. Okay, and after then I make the sad face. And the third thing is going to be to get the on shake, okay, because when I shake this I want to show the silly face, and I go to get this silly face. I think this one's silly, yes. And let's run this now. We can see this in the simulation. Actually we press the let's firstly run it. When I shake this, actually tapping on this shake, it's going to also make it like shaking, and then it will show me the reaction based on the program. And when I press B it will show sad face and A smile face. Now let's send a code to microbit. I press the button A and it shows the smile face, button B sad face. When I shake this you see that it's turning to silly face. When I press A it shows smile face, and again I shake it shows the smile face. Because of accelerometer sensor, it's directly being affected and then responding to the code which is inside the shake. Now we will continue with Python programming language. This time we will code this in a different way. We will write this with an if condition. We will say if you press the button A and if you press button B, and we will directly do this if we call the buttons from input. You know that buttons are in the input side, in input category, as you see, and this is the way we call the button input dot. And when you see that and you say button is pressed, is going to come, and we put the double dot. And this is actually the grammar of this. When you write the if and we write the condition, okay, on this part, and then we put the double dot, and we just make a little bit indentation from the left, so a little bit space, and that means execution code will be belong to this if condition. This is the way the Python understand. Now I'm gonna write here what's gonna happen when I press this. I want to show happy face, okay. Now I did for the first button, and now when I do the second button, for the second button I say button pressed. This time it should be B, okay, and I do double dot and make some space in the next line. When basic dot, this time we will show the sad face, okay. But these codes actually will not work only once. Let's say when you press the button A, if you want to also control in the next work and the next try to press button B, and we have to always run this in a loop. That's going to be with the while loop. We will first make a space here, and on the top we will write while true, okay. So while true, we will take the while true right here. It means these codes will be always in a loop, always will be checked or controlled. Let's say if you press this or if you press this. Let's say during the program you press this button, and then while true always will keep controlling are you going to press this button or this button. You know, it will be always make the conditions active. Okay, so in case you press the different buttons, and it will always keep them active and then respond according to these codes. Now let's send the codes and see what's gonna happen. When I press the button A, it shows the smile face and the sad face. When I press the B, remember also in the block coding we made the program microbit make a reaction in case you shake it to show a silly face. Now we will also code this by writing another if condition. We say input, okay, and then we're gonna find from here is gesture, okay, so gesture shake, all right, and then we will put double dot, so we will show the basic dot show icon silly. Okay, before we send the codes, we can recap what we have done. When we press the button A, it's going to show smile face. When we press button B, it shows sad, and in case you shake it, it shows the silly face. Let me download this. So I press the button A to show smile face, sad face, and silly face. When I shake this again, silly, sad face, and silly face. So I think you understood this. We programmed this in a block coding and Python. All the best for you. We see each other in the coming tutorial. Take care. Bye bye.